3. New ETS Project. We now want to create a new project in the ETS that includes an IP router secure and an IP interface secure. To create a new secure ETS project, the following 10 steps must be taken. 1. Create the project as usual. Make sure that the backbone medium is set to IP. 2. Set a project password. There is a strength check here, but no minimum requirements, so you can also enter one twice, just like I'm doing here. 3. And now for the insertion of the IP router secure in the ETS project. For simplicity's sake, I'll do it in the topology. The Siemens IP router secure N14603 can easily be found in the online catalog by entering the search words Siemens, 146, and 03 into the text filter. Please make sure you select the highest version of the application program. Currently, this is the number 2. 4. As soon as you insert the router, you'll be prompted to 5. Capture the FDSK. The easiest way to do this is to scan the QR code integrated in the ETS via the camera built into every PC or laptop today. Alternatively, you can use a QR code scanner or in an emergency using the keyboard. However, this will be very time-consuming if you are not only having to integrate a router and have to enter several 30-digit codes. Here's a little trick to speed up capture. Take a picture of all the labels on your cell phone, making sure they're in focus, and then hold the photo zoomed to screen size in front of the lens instead of the original labels. Six. Adjust the additional physical addresses for the tunnel connections. As with the predecessors, when inserting IP devices with several tunnels, the ETS creates physical addresses in ascending order, starting with the lowest free address. If you wish to set your own, you can view the addresses by clicking on the small number on the router's main address, and you can re-enter them manually. Next step: setting secure commissioning, routing, and tunneling. These options are already enabled in the default settings of the IP secure devices, so you don't have to change anything if you want to load each device secure from the beginning. Remember the passwords created automatically by the ETS. They're absolutely hacker-proof, as you can see here. Of course, it's possible to customize them, and perhaps for further project work, it would be sensible to create more simple ones as I am doing here. For the IP interface secure N14823, the same rules apply as for the IP router secure, as you can see in the animation. Capture FDSK in the ETS dashboard to see where all the project settings end up. All previously entered device keys are stored in the Security tab. In this view, further keys can also be read in. For example, for the IP interface inserted earlier. Many thanks for watching. We have now prepared the new project for subsequent commissioning. But before we do that, let's take a look at how an existing project needs to be processed in order to fully migrate the IP secure communication. Stay tuned.